In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Squarespace form submissions. This will be perfect for those of you managing your website and looking to efficiently track and respond to inquiries submitted through your forms. Let's dive right in. First, what you'll need to do is navigate to Squarespace. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Squarespace website. You'll likely need to log into your account if you're not already logged in. It's essential that you have your credentials and have verified your account access to avoid any hiccups. Once you're on the website, go ahead and click on the Get Started button. It's typically located on the landing page and acts as a gateway to accessing your website controls. By clicking this, you're essentially moving forward into the back end of your website, where all the magic of managing your site happens. After clicking Get Started, you'll find yourself rerouted to the dashboard. This dashboard is your main control panel, so to speak, where different website operation features are neatly categorized. Look around, and you'll see several options. Focus your attention on the Settings area. You want to select Settings because it provides a range of managerial tools crucial to running your Squarespace site flawlessly. Within the settings, you're going to navigate to an area called Contacts. This is a special section used to manage information submitted by your website users. Think of it as the digital equivalent of flipping through a Rolodex of recent engagements. This specific location is essential when it comes to handling your form submissions directly. After navigating to Contacts in your dashboard, you'll see a list appear. This list is particularly significant because it displays each individual who has submitted a form on your site. The details here will feature their email addresses, which are critical for following up, and the date of their latest submission. Seeing this information organized in one place allows you to track interactions and plan your subsequent steps efficiently. As you inspect this list, you'll find it helps you stay on top of who's reaching out and the frequency of their communication. You can determine if there are specific times or trends when submissions spike, giving you actionable insights into user behavior. So, there you have it. It's a straightforward process that ensures you're in the loop and ready to respond promptly to those reaching out through your website. Understanding how to view these submissions allows you to craft more tailored responses and ultimately enhance the experience for your site visitors. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes managing your Squarespace site smoother and more efficient.